Let's go to V9 IRO. First impressions is air. Second is ba. It's funny. First street food experience. And the store checked snacks price. Got shocked. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. Stay in Hanoi today. Guest /1. Traditional market. Nice food. Let's watch a really local place and pass through road. Old man gay. Church made me memorize Camino. Prison feeling not good. Everyone escape here's people. Unbelievable method. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. From Hanoi moved to Halong. Experience famous clean cable car, but somewhere maintenance. Too bad. Are you alive at night? %100% same with Taiwan traditional market. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. Stay in Halong today. Join one-day trip. Buffet! You are awesome. Only one thing not good. Too much people. Even it's low season now. And no signal here. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. Spend 4 hours come here in Tangkok. We're not good today. 3 hours go around here. Cheap foot massage. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. Tangkok Discovery Tour. You will see Lex Driver and a lot of local things. That's beautiful and chill. Rental a bike after lunch. Go to hiking and great view. Nice. What a cheap, relaxing massage. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. From Ninh back to Hanoi. Guide won't bring me to train station. Take a picture on track before train coming. Go to buy sub giveaway. Experience local haircut V9 version. And the hair wash. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. From Hanoi, fly to Da Nang. Walking around this area. Popular hand market. All the brand is, you know. Dragon Bridge. Performing at Friday to Sunday 9 p.m. First night market in Vietnam. Don't know how to eat, so okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. Da Nang Bana Hills. Famous Golden Bridge in hand. In the 1,487 meters mountain. Sick Fog Day. Once and one cable car. Watch some show. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya.
Oh, yo.
From Da Nang move to Hue. Why 30 years bridge but looks old? Traditional clothes. King Sang Hui. Empire chair. And King's apparel. Night walking straight. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. Stay in Hue today. Try here's KFC. Rental motorbike. Good experience. Chu Tian Moon. Long hiding. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. From Hue moved to Hoi An. ENE. Precious Heritage Art Gallery Museum. It's awesome and free. Night market. By Choi, traditional art and game. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya. On the way to the Miss Sun Secretary. Tour from K-Look. Tour guide is great. If you wanna see old guy, watch my YouTube VOD. There's 3 performances. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See ya.
自黑呀，I don't like you 啊。
Only one thing today. Cycling to Coconut Bowl Tour. Funny and special. Maybe this is one of performance. Control so hard. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. See you next trip.